In this video, we will show you how to create a username and password and how to make a fee payment as a marine invasive species ballast water third party. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. This will take you to the Online Services Login page. You must have a username and password to access your client's fees online. To begin, click Sign Up Now. The welcome page will ask you if you are the owner of the business or a third-party delegate. For this example, you will select I am a third-party delegate since you are acting as a marine invasive species ballast water fee account representative or employee. Click Next to continue. The third-party instructions page will ask you to create a username and password. Click Next to continue. The Your Information page will ask you how you want to be identified: driver license, individual taxpayer identification number, or social security number. Enter your personal information here. In this example, we are using the social security number as the ID type. Remember, this is your account as a third party, not the business account. Click Next to continue. You will then be asked to enter your address. Once you have entered your address, click Verify Address to continue. Click the link that reads, Click here to verify address. Select the verified address. Please note that the address now indicates that it has been verified. Click Save to continue. Click Next to continue. On the Login Information page, you will establish your username and password, and you will be asked to confirm both. You will also set up a security question and answer and be asked to confirm those as well before clicking Next. You will then be asked for your contact information. This information will be used for notifications and to recover your username and password. Click Next to continue. At the Authentication Information page, select a notification method. For our example, we will request that the authentication code be sent to our email only. Once you have completed the Authentication Information page, click Submit. You will then be given a confirmation number. Click I'm done to continue. You will be taken back to the CDTFA Online Services Login page, where you will be able to log into your account and request access to the business accounts. Please note this process will only provide you access to view and pay bills for which you have been authorized. The Confirmation Identification page will appear. Click Send Authentication Email and an authentication code will be sent to your email. Enter the authentication code that was sent to you. As a security measure, we ask if you would like to trust this browser. If this is your personal device, selecting Yes will identify it so you won't have to enter the code every time you visit. Click Log On to continue. Now you will be directed to the Online Services Profile page where you can request access to an account. Under the I Want To section, click on Request Access to an Account. The Welcome page will ask you if you are the business owner or are a third-party delegate. You will choose I am a third-party delegate since you are the marine invasive species ballast water fee representative or employee. Click Next to continue. The security code page will appear and ask you if you have one. In this case, select No. Then click Next to continue. On the Request a Security Code page, provide the required information. Under the Account Type drop-down menu, please select Marine Invasive Species Ballast Water. Then enter the Marine Invasive Species Ballast Water account number you are representing. You will be asked if you are a marine agent for this account. Please select No. Click Next. You will then choose the access level for the business account. There are 3 access level choices: All Access, Make Payments, and View. In this example, we will select All Access. Then click Next. On the summary page, you can review the entries for the account number and access level. Click Submit to continue. This will take you to the confirmation page, where you will be provided with your confirmation number. A letter with a security code will be mailed to the business within 7 to 10 business days. Please note, a security code will expire after 90 days. Click I'm done to finish your access request. Once the business has provided you with the security code they received, return to the Online Services login page to complete the account access process. Enter your username and password and click Login. Under the I Want To section on the Online Services profile page, click on the link Request Access to an Account. The Welcome page will ask you if you are the business owner or are a third-party delegate. You will choose I am a third-party delegate since you are the marine invasive species, ballast water fee, representative, or employee. Click Next to continue. The security code page will appear and ask if you have one. Now that you have been provided the security code, you will select Yes, then click Next. On the business information page, you will enter the security code provided in the letter that was sent to the business. You will then select the account type and enter the account number. Lastly, you will be asked if you are a marine agent for this account. Select No, since you are a representative or employee, not a marine agent. Select Next to continue. The summary page explains that you will have access to the business's account upon submission. Click Submit to continue. You will then be given a confirmation number. Click I'm done to continue. This will take you back to the Online Services profile page. You can see that you have access to the Marine Invasive Species Ballast Water Fee account. To make a payment, click on the Marine Invasive Species Ballast Water hyperlink. Under the Billed Port Arrivals tab, click on the balance for the arrival date you would like to pay. On the Make a Payment page, you will determine if you would like to pay by a checking or savings account or by credit or debit card. For this example, we will click on Pay Now with Checking or Savings. This will take you to the Period Payment page where you will be required to enter the payment information. Complete the required fields under the Payment Option and Payment Details sections, then click Submit. The Declaration of Intent window will appear. Enter your password to confirm your intent, then press OK to continue. At the confirmation page, you will receive a confirmation number and a summary of your submission. To print your confirmation page, click on the Printable View PDF button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. To finish the payment process, click I'm done. You will be returned to the Marine Invasive Species Ballast Water page. You can see the balance is now $0. This concludes the payment process. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.